Hello friends, welcome to the video series on SQL PL SQL questions for online exams and certifications. Here is another set of questions based on the set operators. So we have like three tables like A, B and C. Table A contains 1, 2, null and 3. Table B contains 2, 3, null and 4. Table C contains 3, 4, null and 5. I expect you to give the answer for the queries given here. I would suggest for every question, I would suggest you to pause the video, think what would be the answer, then continue watching this video. Let us start with the question number 1. So now tell me what would be the answer for select star from A, union select star from C. Of course, the same question, instead of union, I am using the union all. Just pause the video and think what would be the answer, then continue watching this video. So let's start with the first question. Select star from A, union select star from C. In fact, union and union all will combine the results of two queries and returns the result. The only difference is union will remove the duplicates and sort the result set. So here is the output for A union C. So it will return all the values from A and C excluding the duplicate value. It will remove the duplicate and sorts the result. Okay. So union all will not sort and it will not remove the duplicate. It just gives the value as it is. So here are the rows from table A and here are the rows from table C. Let's go ahead with the question number 2. So pause the video and think what would be the answer for select star from A minus select star from B and C minus B. So let's start with A minus B. So you will take all the values from A excluding the values from B. So you remove all the common rows from B. So in this case, the result would be 1. Similarly, C minus B, the result would be 5. Let's go ahead with the question number 3. So the question number 3 is very similar to the question number 2. So here I just added one more table. So what would be the answer for C minus A minus B? So in this case, you will take all the values from table C, exclude the values from table A and exclude the values from table B. So the result would be 5. Let's go ahead with the question number 3 again. A slight variation in the question. In fact, both these questions are exactly the same. B minus C minus A. But the second question, there is a brace here. Okay. So because the brace will affect the way in which the query will get executed. Think what would be the answer for these two questions. So let's start with the first question. So you will take all these, the row from B, exclude the values from C. So 3 and 4 will go off and exclude the value from A also. So the result would be null. So let us see what is the answer for the next question. So next question, first we need to compute whatever is inside the brace, that is C minus A. So you will take all the values from C, exclude the values from A. So the C minus A will be 4, 5. Okay. So B has like 2, 3, 4. Now you need to exclude. So this is like B, this is like C minus A. Okay, now we need to say B minus of C minus A. So exclude these informations. So the result would be 2 and 3. So let's go ahead with the question number 4. You need to write a SQL to get the region whatever is specified here. That means the region that is common to AB, common to AC, common to B and C. This is the informations we need. So let's see how to write the query to achieve this functionality. So first what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select all the informations from A are common between A and B. Same way I'm just going to take common between A and C. Similarly, I'm going to take things are common between B and C. Okay. Now I'm just going to combine all these things. See here the braces are very much important. Otherwise we will get a wrong result set. So let's combine all these things here. So now we got all the common informations between A and B plus B and C plus A and C. Now we need to exclude the rows that is common between all three, A, B and C. To get the common between all three, we can go ahead with the same approach. So select star from A, intersect, select star from B, intersect, select star from C. So now we just need to exclude this information from here. Let's put a minus. Okay, brace is very much important, otherwise we will get a wrong result. So let me put a brace here. Yeah, so we got the 2 and 4. So here is the question. So sorry, here is the query. So this query will give the common rows from A and B, common rows from B and C, common between C and D. We are just combining all these three. So this query will just give only the 3 because this is the common between all A, B, C. So we are just excluding this here. Okay. So the key takeaway from this video is about the set operator, the union, union all, intersect and minus. Union and union all will behave very similarly, except that union will remove the duplicate and sort the result set. In fact, intersect and minus also will sort the result set. Okay, so if you want to know more about these informations, I would suggest you to watch this video where I have explained about all these set operators in detail with the examples. If you have learned something new, please like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for new feature video, interview question, SQL practical question and concept videos. If you want any other questions to be answered, please post it in the comment section or drop to this mail ID. And thanks a lot for watching this video.